Okay guys, so we're here at Kings Gadget. So bali they do the trade-ins of cameras, buy and sell.
Focus lang mo ito yung cable sa photographer pa yung mga basta sa sensor.
So bali they have different brands. As you can see here sa display nila. They have Canon, and then Samsung, and then I think this is Fuji X-T100, and then some other accessories, maybe charging cables, power supplies, lens caps, chargers and batteries. And then some of the other cameras over there, it's a shelf, Canon, and then some of the Nikons over there. The Kings Gadget is located sa newly renovated Pasilio, which is an old alley in Marymart. So amo na ni siya subong. So the entrance, and then just a few meters away with the stalls inside, and then it's just right over here. Dire lang siya. So we have KB at the moment with the client, the owner of the Kings Gadget. Okay guys, so I'm here with KB of Kings Gadget. We're gonna show you some of the three cameras nga rin today. So we have the G7X, and then the NX1000 from Samsung, and then the Fuji X-T100. So first up, the specs for G7X.
Okay, so here's the Canon G7X Mark II. So it is a 20 megapixel single lens reflex camera, and it comes with a 1080p 60 video.
Okay.
Yeah. And also here's the Samsung NX1000. It comes with Wi-Fi for wireless transfer, and also 1080 24p for video.
So for
and
the
here's the Fujifilm X-T100. It comes with Wi-Fi as well, and also the video, it's 1080 60.
Okay, so I think this is a fixed lens, right?
Yes, fixed lens, single lens reflex na siya.
While sa Samsung, I think mga
pwede siya, mirrorless siya.
Mirrorless siya. Basically the NEX series ang Sony.
Oo.
And then of course the Fuji is the
So, ari, the best din siya for wedding events, for special occasions. Ang iyang color grading, it's different from all mirrorless camera. So, mas na-appreciate ko siya, ang X-T100. So, try nyo.
Okay, so you can visit the store here at Marymart at Pasilio.
See.